Hello viewers, welcome to Botnet. Today I am going to show you how to install Windows 10 in VMware Workstation. It is very easy to install if you follow my steps properly. Here I have VMware Workstation, so let's install Windows 10. In this tutorial I will install Windows 10 64-bit. At first open your VMware and click Create a new virtual machine. You can select typical or custom. I am selecting custom, because it is the perfect way to install and arrange your disk space with it. You can select older version or newer. Selecting older version helps you to run your Windows 10 in any versions of the VMware. After arranging, select next each time. Now select your Windows 10 file you have. It can be ISO or zip file. Don't worry, it will arrange it automatically. Windows 10 64-bit selected. Here you don't need to do anything, click Next. It will ask for product key of Windows, click Yes. Now select location where you want to install Windows. Next. 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 You can select RAM usage you want. Now click Next continuously for some times. You can select how much storage will be used in your Windows. I have selected 60 GB. It is ready to install. Creating disk. Wait for a second. You don't need to do anything now, because it will automatically install the whole Windows. Just wait and see. And please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, it helps us to make more helpful videos like this. Stay till the end, or you can skip the video a little and see what happens last. Windows 10 64-bit is perfectly installed. Now you have everything what a normal Windows should have.